Hi folks, today I'm bringing another driver to our list, the SM1620B. It is unknown which device the panel belonged to. If you have any information, please leave it in the comments. The driver allows the use of the 4 digits 9 segments up to 7 digits 6 segments on LED displays. Using these drivers in LED displays greatly simplifies the work, as the code can be easily adapted from one to another and the power supply is based only in the plus 5 volts DC. However, care must be taken when identifying the driver, as there is a risk of confusing it with another from the identical family in a superficial analysis, which can lead to its deterioration. Let us look, for example, at the case of the SM1620B with the TM1620, which is identical but enough observe the difference in the power supply pins to get big difference. Thirdly, we can find the datasheet on the web, which is always a big help on this matter. The code used for the panel animation is in the description, remembering that the code is not clean and needs to be optimized. It also includes a function to read the 4 keys present on the panel with the 2 keys for each byte read. The code is running now, present the minutes and the seconds, but if you comment the first 4 lines related to the update of the clock, you can get the minutes and hours. As normal, I use the Arduino to run the code to control the driver of the display, and the connections I have done is the data, clock, strobe. Please don't forget the GND must be common to the power supply. In this case is only plus 5 volts DC. This is enough to bring the panel to life again. I use here 3 resistors in serial with each wire of the communication, but is not relevant. If you feel comfortable with the connections, is not necessary use it. That's all.